This is video file 1 for Executive Auto Shippers 1971 Chevy Camaro, PO number 2251-JT. Unit is in poor condition, front bumper missing along with headlights cracked and or missing, grille missing along with primer, scratches and rust on hood, along with missing hood ornament with holes, hood misaligned. Unit has stock rims in poor condition, holes as you can note here, driver's side front, cracked windshield, multiple cracks in windshield on passenger and driver's side. Driver's side door, dents as you can see. Unit interior on rear, missing speakers. Hood of unit also in poor condition. Moving to the rear side, holes, missing lights, tires in poor condition. Unit trunk open with water. Unknown items in trunk, unable to close, missing gas cap, rear bumper also missing, poor tire condition on passenger side, all molding is missing off of vehicle, inside of contents, passenger side looks like tires, some molding, possible bumpers, more tires in the rear. Windows are in poor condition, rust forming here. Also have scrapes heading down the front side of the passenger door. More holes here on passenger side front tire, also in poor condition. Once again missing the bumper. Unit interior also in poor condition, as you can see. Odometer reading is 76700.2. Radio missing. Unit extremely dirty. Rust. And this will end this video document for Executive Auto Shippers, PO number 2251-JT for 1971 Chevy Camaro.